Hey everybody, so previous video was about the quick look at the things I got from Home Depot on December 15th, so this is going to be the unboxing. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the items from the previous video, so let's get started. It was $190 with tax at my Home Depot. So like I said in the previous video, I'm actually going to use this kit specifically for putting the rest of my accessories in here. And it does come with 14 accessories plus 10 free sanding pads. I didn't need the sanding pads, but extras are not going to hurt. So it's actually 24 piece instead of 14 piece. But I'm going to put all of the others that I have in there. Which is going to be all these guys right here. I might have to cut some of these posts down. So I guess I'll cut the posts down and then I'll install the accessories because these posts are too high. But that's that one. I'm going to unbox this one real quick. And this Milwaukee scraper blade is part number 49-00-5456. Nice and shiny. Put this away. On the back it shows a full-size Sawzall and Hacksaw by Milwaukee, which I have both. 1.5 or 3 inch, 1.5 or 3 inch. And it says linoleum and vinyl, 1.5 and 3 inch, both saws will do it. Strong adhesive, 1.5 and 3 inch for the full size Sawzall or the super Sawzall will do it. The Hacksaw will do 1.5, it will not do 3 inch. Paint, 1.5 and 3 inch, they'll both do it. Glue, Super Sawzall or Sawzall will do 1.5 and 3 inch, and the Hacksaw will only do the 1.5 inch, and I think it's referring to the M12 version because it's not saying the Super Hacksaw, or not the Super, but it's not referring to the 18 volt, it's showing a 12 volt, and it's not showing the fuel version, it's showing the regular. So the ones I have will probably do 1.5 and 3 inch and all the way across. They'll do the rest. So there's basically strong adhesive and glue that the 12 volt regular Hacksaw will not do for the 3 inch. And then the gentleman that got this from the top for me, he cut it open, we checked it out. They are both what they're supposed to be. And I just asked him if I could keep the box for transport. They're not light either. Let's see what this says. Use proper lifting techniques. Okay. There's little buttons on the side. These little buttons. Legs open. Probably only going to show one. Get out. This little hinge on the side locks the 2x4 and 4x4 slides like that. And for $59 a piece, I do not think these are bad. They're very nice. And then when the legs are completely folded, it says open first. Right here on this, right above it. And then this one says close first. And it's got nice grip tape on the top, which is nice. And it's got little holes right here on the top, which I'm assuming you can use to mount something or probably for another purpose. It's my first time getting some sawhorses that aren't those cheap $8 during Black Harbor Freight's parking lot sale. I figured I've been working with wood a lot lately, get appropriate sawhorses. And that way I have a sturdy, nice cutting environment, because those cheap ones from Harbor Freight, they're not worth the $12 when they're not on sale, and they're not worth the $8 during the parking lot sale. But you can see I got 2 of them. And it says ToughBuilt Sawhorse Job Site Table C700 on it. And this is not a sticker, it's actually printed on it. Max distribution load is 2,600 a pair, or 1,300 each. And these right here on the outside are the clamp locks. Allows you to adjust the legs. And it looks like they can also, well, those might be extra features, I think. Shows right here cutting supports. So I don't see that on here, so you might be able to buy those extra. That's neat. 2x4 and 4x4 support arms. Material support legs are these guys right here. So you can put material on the side of it. And it looks like that is on one side only, it's not on the other side. The legs are adjustable. These are on both sides. It's got a nice detent. You lock it down. Lock it down. So you can do that on both sides. Which is pretty nice. I'm doing it one-handed with a camera in my hand. It's got a nice positive detent. I like that. I stuck the other side up a little higher, but you guys get the idea. So I like them already. I'll show them in some more videos when I'm doing cutting and everything like that. But I'm going to make a custom mount for these in my barn, so that way I can just hang them up out of the way. But like always, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, comments, criticisms down below. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see on these. Maybe I can make that happen if there's something specific you guys want to see. It's got nice handles. Thank you guys so much for watching. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.